With the potential for not only a lot of snow, also the potential for sleet and freezing rain. Pam Surano joins us now with a look at how people are preparing for what could be a rough weekend. Pam.
Ken, most places we went tonight, the roads were just wet, but as we drove north here to Cranberry Township earlier in the evening, it was this wet, rainy snow mix, but you can see now that it's mostly turned into all snow, and throughout the Pittsburgh region, it will turn into all snow coming up very soon. In the city, there were signs everywhere of what's to come. Trucks, plows, and lots of salt loaded up as the Pittsburgh region gets ready for what's expected to be its first significant snowfall this year.
I bought 100 pounds of salt, calcium chloride.
No one seemed too worried, even north in Cranberry Township, but preparing nonetheless. How long will that last you?
That is up for debate. It depends what hits us this weekend.
While Chad Spinagati is adding to his winter readiness supplies.
Bottled water, pantry stocked full of pasta.
He doesn't mind what's coming.
I love snow.
And he knows it's not the norm to be without the frosty flakes this time of year.
Typically, we usually get, at least one or two good ones each year.
He does worry about mom and dad in North Huntington. He may have to load up the truck, he says, and head out there to help. Now, salt, we saw antifreeze, snow plow, shovels. They were some of the emergency supply items that were lining the perimeters of gas stations and also the big box stores here in Cranberry Township tonight. So not too many people loading up this evening, but tomorrow that is expected to change. We're live in Cranberry Township. Pam Surano on KDKA News on the CW.